Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the 7-inch square pan. Place the parchment paper in the bottom and lightly grease again. Melt the butter and chocolate in the microwave or a double boiler. If using microwave, 15 to 25 seconds at a time and stirring between each interval. Whisk together the flour, baking soda and salt. In a large bowl, combine the sugar and the eggs. Whisk vigorously to incorporate evenly. Add the melted chocolate and butter mixture. Mix well. Add the flour mixture at once and mix just until incorporated. Pour batter in prepared pan. Sprinkle nuts if desired. Bake for 17 to 20 minutes. Until a toothpick inserted into center produces a moist crumb. Let it cool completely in a pan. In the meanwhile, let's make the fudge icing. For the simple syrup, combine sugar, water and 8 grams of corn syrup. Boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, then let it cool. In a large mixing bowl, mix cocoa powder and cooked simple syrup. Mix until it forms a firm mass. Then add the vegetable oil, shortening, softened butter and the 16 grams of corn syrup. Mix well. Add the sifted confectioner's sugar a little bit at a time. Mix until smooth. Slowly add some of the cold water, about 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach the desired consistency. After the brownies are cooled completely, lift up the ends of the parchment paper. Ice with fudge icing. Cut into squares and serve.